Today we're going to do a whole video. Well, I wish my channel was a whole kind of channel. I'll be much more successful. Hello people who dreams a lot. My name is Sassy and welcome to another episode of How to Cantonese. I am trying to keep this brief from now on because I don't have the pressure to make the videos 10 minutes long. So yep, let's see how I do. Let's just jump into it. A long time ago we talked about if, which is 如果 in Cantonese. And today's sentence structure, let's consider it as like a next step version from the original if, aka we talked about something that's unreal version. Speaking of unreal situations, there are generally two types of those. The first one is something that is very unlikely to happen. In English, we usually use I wish, and in Cantonese, we use 如果. Insert your drums here. 就好啦. Quite literally, it translates as if, insert your drums here, it'd be awesome. For example, 如果聽日打8號風球就好啦。我唔想返工。你傻㗎？今日咁好天，點會無啦啦打風啫？ Wish there would be a typhoon signal number 8 tomorrow. Really don't feel like going to work. Are you dumb or something? A typhoon signal number 8 in this kind of weather? Please tell me I look cool. And the joke is, typhoon signal number 8 rarely happens because stock markets. Another unreal situations would be something that you regret. Like something should have happened but it didn't, so it was kinda lame and sad. But you can't turn back time because you're not Hermione and you don't have the time turner. So in these cases we use another set of I wish. In Cantonese it is 早知就. Insert your booking gem here on your sister blah, aka should have done something so that you won't regret it if I knew it earlier. So for example, 早知就唔讀大學去做 YouTuber 啦，睇到佢哋幾成功，咪玩啦！你面皮咁薄，點學人食 Tide Pod Art Views 啊？ Should have quit in college sooner than do YouTube instead. Look at all those people in their Lamborghinis. You're kidding, right? You're not shameless enough to eat Tide Pods just for views. Skits are funny, right? If you're feeling fancy about your broken dreams, you can make a more complex sentence using 早知 by putting in the result that is more depressing. It kind of makes a contrast of what should have happened and what should. And in Cantonese we can say 早知 insert result here. 就 insert something you should have done here. La should have done this if I knew that would happen. We've all been there, right? Example time. 早知佢咁唔負責任，我就唔交個 project 俾佢做啦。你唔留意人哋啫，佢不嬲都係咁冇交代㗎啦。Shouldn't have asked him to handle the whole project if I knew he's such an irresponsible prick. Serves you right for not noticing. He's been a prick since day one. So that's pretty much the content of this video. Let's do a very quick recap of that. Talking about unreal situations, we can use two types of sentence structures. The first one that is used to talk about something that is very not likely to happen, we can use 如果 something something 就好啦 to show you really wish that happened. And the other one is if you regret something, if you think you should have done something in a certain situation, you can say in Cantonese 早知就 something 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 啦. Or you can even put in a result. 早知 the result. 就 something you should have done. 啦. So that is a wrap for today's video. Leave a comment down below if you have any ideas, opinions and stuff like that. Leave a like down below if you think my hat's cool. And also subscribe for more extremely funny skits like this one. And maybe hit that notification bell thingy button. Yeah. And I'll see you in the next video. Might be in this hat. Bye!